Good morning, guys. I'm with Dr. Chin. He's my dentist. I actually traveled 2 hours away to see Dr. Chin, and he takes care of my teeth together with my husband, George, teeth as well. So today, I'm here with him, and he's going to give us a tour of his new dental office. And before I want to pass you along to Dr. Chin, the reason why I'm sharing this story with you, because I was a new patient of him about 2 years ago, Dr. Chin, is that correct? Mm-hmm. During the start of COVID. And so we were wearing a lot of masks, and he was in a different office. So he was actually renting from a big office in just close here. And so when I saw Dr. Chin, I actually gave him my book, Apartment Prescription. And Dr. Chin, tell us about, before you give us a tour of your beautiful dental office, tell us about you, where you're located, so they can visit you and they become your avid fans. And tell us about the book that after you read it, what inspired you to get this new dental office?
Thank you, Dr. Wu. So when I saw Dr. Wu, she gave me a book at the very beginning, and I read it. It was about real estate property management. It was a very inspiration for me. I was paying rent for my dental office for more than 3 years. Was a lot. Then I realized I should start building equity. And also for dental office, the most important thing is if it's rental property, it's very hard for you to invest some heavy equipment or some build-outs in the rental property. For my own property, I can put a very expensive build-out plumbing system inside, which will help you better serve my patients.
That is correct.
So that's why it's better always to have your own property. Let me show you around. So
all right.
This is our front office. In the back, we have 8 rooms, but we only use 4 rooms for now. Other rooms we use for storage and for sterilization for my own workshop, like dental workshop, those space. Then when we grow more, then we might use more room for more dental chairs.
All right.
And we have a big, downstairs we have a big basement. That's important for a dental office because all the equipment, lowest equipment, we put downstairs. So we keep upstairs pretty quiet.
All right,
Yep.
So show us, Dr. Chin. So just remember, you guys, Dr. Chin was renting an office, his dental office, and after he read the book, he got inspired by my book, Apartment Prescription. So he decided to buy this beautiful dental office. This is more than $500,000 of property. So now he's building equity into this dental office. He can put a lot of improvements because why? It is now Dr. Chin's property. So he's gonna give us a privilege to tour around this beautiful office, and it has 8 rooms, and he's doing 4 rooms right now. Is that correct, Dr. Chin?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. So this is the front area.
All right.
My own office.
This is the main entrance, and this is Dr. Chin's office. All right.
So then we have the first room we use for photos. And we do a lot of cosmetic dentistry, and we use photos to document before and after situation. And we have a CBCT room in this here. Again, when we do implants, we have to use CBCT to check the bone volume and everything.
All right. This is the equipment, and now we're proceeding to another room.
Yeah. And this is sterilization area. So all the equipment for sterilization. So dirty things goes in and clean things come out.
Right.
Sterilization for all the surgical instruments. And this is my lab for me to make denture, make teeth, wax up, design things. It's pretty much my dental workshop.
All right. This is his dental workshop. This is a lot of rooms here, Dr. Chin.
Yeah. So this is another opportunity, and there's our eye wash station. Sometimes we splash, and we can wash our eyes. Some of the safety HIPAA, OSHA requirements to be compatible with the codes.
So this is the washroom. So if a physician or a staff has a bloodborne contact or blood contact, this is where they actually wash their face. So this is an OSHA regulation.
Yes, yes. So just some other rooms, and there's our storage.
OSHA is occupational safety.
Yes.
This is the storage. All right, this is a lot of room. This is actually way bigger than his previous office. And this is easier access, and there's a lot of parking as well. So this big building office is just Dr. Chin's property.
Good, good. Great. Thank you very much.
So I hope you learned something, guys, about real estate. So real estate is the best way to be putting your money into your hard-earned money, blood, sweat, equity, working for you. So now Dr. Chin, after several years, and it's a great time actually, Dr. Chin, right, when you bought this, because then the market was down, so he was able to buy it at a lower cost, and the interest rate was actually lower too compared to today's rate. So guys, I hope you learned something. Stay tuned for more. Let's go. Well, cannot wait.
Happy holidays.